Now, after you have understood dharana, dharana means when you isolate your mind and then make your mind, train your mind so that your mind does not get involved with the symbols going on in your mind. Look here, symbolism means imagery. When you imagine, what is that? Imagination. Image within is called imagination. I look at you, that impression through my octave nerves goes to my mind. That impression is image. On the basis of those many images, I imagine. Your imagination is based on this. So Patanjali says, your imagination is full of fantasy, full of fancy. Your imagination leads you to sloth and you go to sleep. Your imagination brings back all the impressions which are disturbing to you. You are married, you are not supposed to remember your boyfriend from college. You see? So Patanjali talks how that image can create many faces, can make many faces, can wear many garbs. You see? How that image can cry, how that image can laugh, how that image can control your life, how that image can tell you what is right and wrong, and that's what you do. And it's a simple dead image, an impression. When you know that simple impression and dead image is controlling your life, what good is this life? Then you suddenly know the relationship of matter with living consciousness. How consciousness is involved with matter. How Purusha is involved with Prakriti. You see. How Purusha is involved with Prakriti. The way you are involved with your image. The way your life is controlled by your imagination. Simple way. This simile will help. The girl is not there, but her impression is there. You are sitting down, you are smiling. What did I do? In this country, Salt Lake City, I asked one of the cameramen to come. He put the camera and I told the students to meditate. And I said, those. So there were some monks. Everybody was meditating. I said, only 10 minutes. Say, give us 5 minutes time. I said, no camera for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes time, somebody was doing like this. Somebody was doing like this. Somebody was doing like this. Everybody is making 100 faces. Why those faces were being made by you in meditation? Because that symbol, that impression was affecting you. And your face was index that tells you. Face is index of your heart. It means your thought, that image affects your heart, that is reflected on your face. So the relationship between emotion and thought is very close. You will see that image, impression, becomes a sort of symbol for you.